Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your EY Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search EY Payroll Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.eypayroll.com. It will then take you to the login portal of EY Payroll. There, enter your username and a password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your EY Payroll. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. And if your account is locked, you can get help by clicking to Account Locked. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.